Hi, myself Sasikumar and I am from Salem. So actually I came here for this hair transplant treatment. So actually for past 10 plus years, right, I am doing many treatments for my hair. I have used many medicines and all, and I have gone for various treatments even for English medicine and even for this homeopathy and all, but nothing works out for me. So at last I thought I can go with hair transplant. That is the only option I have. Okay, I thought to make that is a try. So I know this LH Pharma from my brother. So how my brother knows me? From his colleague who is working in the same company. So from that we got reference and I called this LH Pharma, Mr. Kiran sir. So he said okay, just send the photo. Okay, so I sent a photo in WhatsApp and he checked everything and he said okay, from your back head scalp we can take it and we can make it possible. Okay, so actually I didn't came for any checkup, I came directly. So before that I just made a testing of my blood because everything should be normal. So with some abnormal, if the sugar level or this BP is high, right, we cannot do that. Okay, so for that they make sure that everything is normal. So for me everything is normal. So after that I planned and I came within 3-4 days, that's it. So I planned and I came. Okay, and here right they are providing accommodation and everything. They are taking care of us very well. Okay, so they have the patient's room separately for us and even the treatment, right, everything is separate for us. So after I came, right, so they are asking me how you came and all, because I said I came by this transport and all. So they asked me to take rest for some time because if we are tired, right, they cannot start the test immediately. So what they are asking me to take full rest, and after that they can start the test. So after that, right, after at least I was in rest for from 8 to 9 hours. After that they asked me to come for treatment. So before that, right, they are just asking, is everything is fine, or you just to make your mind fresh and just don't think anything. It's just a simple procedure, and whatever they said, right, it is very nice actually. So whatever the behavior, the approach to the customer side, it is very good. So I really like that approach. So after that, right, in the first day, right, they have to cover me for the whole head, from crown to this front, right. They need to give the treatment. Okay, it's a big area. So for crafts, right, it's not like some specific number of crafts it should be done. So they will be like, okay, how much is your area, they will cover the full area. Okay, so like that is the only difference between this transplant center with the others, because before coming here I even checked for some others also. So they will be saying that for per craft this is the price, and for if you want to cover this one, this many grafts will be planted. But they will say like that, but how we count that, it is not possible to count, right. So that one seems to be like awkward. So they are saying they can count, they can make this many grafts, but we don't know, right, it is whether they still place those many grafts. But here, right, they can openly say okay, so it's not based on grafts, it's like how much area you need to cover and what is the dents we can provide, they will provide. Okay, that is the thing they are giving the promise to us. So after first day, right, they just giving them first they will take the hair from the back side of our scalp, because back side of our scalp, right, the hair will not fall. Okay, so from that they are taking it, and they start with the simple things. Okay, so next day, right, they have taken my scalp, how many grafts are possible, they have taken all those grafts. Okay, so after that, after they have taken the graft, they have implanted in the front position, I mean in the front area. So they have covered in almost like some 6-7 hours. Okay, I mean both the taking out and implanting the new grafts in the front area. So they have done in some 7 or 8 hours. Okay, so the one thing we have to do is we have to be patient. Okay, so and every 1 minute, right, they will ask like, okay, it is paining sir, or it is normal, are you okay? And even in between also I am taking breaks, like 1 hour or 2 hours one side I am just taking break, because we cannot be in the same position for a long time, right. So even they also know about us. Okay, so they are doing giving a correct gap. So we will be adjusting our bodies and it will be fine for us to sit for a long time. So front area is covered, and after the next day, right, so in the same day after front area is covered, they have taken some more grafts for the putting in crown and the middle area. So they have taken the grafts, and even from the chin part also, right, from here also, right, they have taken the grafts. Compared to scalp, right, actually for me in the scalp, right, the donor is not very good. It is good but not very good. Okay, so what they ask means, okay, we can take some of the grafts from the beard area. Okay, so they have taken the grafts from beard area. So that also has been mixed with the hair grafts in the ground and in the center area. Okay, so in my crown and the center area, right, I have grafts from the this beard and from the scalp. Both has been mixed and it has been made there. Okay, actually we can do even the beard hair also. That is very good compared to the scalp hair, because the beard hair, right, it is having more thicker than the our scalp hair. For me it is the condition. Okay, so they have made it done. So for me, right, it took 2 days, almost like 2 complete days. Okay, like 7 to 8 hours per day, like that. Okay, to cover the whole front area. Okay, so now I have done. So I need to wait for some 3 to 4 months to know the result. If I want to know the complete result, I want to know for, I need to wait for the 6 months. So if it is good, actually the price here they are offering, right, it is also very reasonable, not much higher like other centers. It is also very reasonable. Okay, and they are not expecting also. It seems like they are not doing this as a business. Okay, they are doing it for a satisfaction of the customer. That's what I am thinking, and they are doing in that way. And the technicians, right, they are also really very cooperative, and they done very nice job for this for everyone, right. Even when I came here before, they have shown me how they are doing it. So before I went inside the operation theater, and I waited for some 30 minutes, and I am just seeing it. Okay, how they are doing it. Okay, so that really helps me. Okay, this is the procedure, like that. Okay, the patient who has done before me, right, he didn't feel any pain also. So even for me also, right, I didn't feel any much pain. Just during that injection, right, small injection, I feel like small pain, like ant bite. Okay, so they made some injections to get the cracks, and for making plant also they will make some injection. During the time only I feel the pain. Remaining part, right, I didn't feel any pain. Okay, so that is actually, and they are very small. They are very what to say, very patient. They are having very patience, and they are doing it very good. Okay, so I really appreciate the technicians, and I need to appreciate this Shobha, who is the receptionist. She's also providing all the needs whatever we need. Okay, so actually this is the 4th day for me. So I'm planning to leave today. So totally 4 days, right, they are providing all the foods. So whatever, actually what food we need to take, right, they are providing like that. So that is very nice. And whatever the accommodation and whatever the surroundings, right, it is also very good. So I really like this one. And so my one of the suggestion is, okay, if they have more advertising, right, we have known this very before, because for me, right, I am almost like 30 plus, so it is very late for me. So if we have more advertisement about this center, right, it will be reaching us, it will be reaching people very soon, and they will be doing it immediately. So okay, anyway, it's very good for me. And so after a couple of days, right, even my brother is also going to have this hair treatment. So okay, let us wait for this 4 to 6 months, so we will have the good result. And one more thing is, after this treatment, right, we need to take care of we need to post care of this treatment, because whatever the tablets, right, and whatever suggestions they are given, right, we need to take care of it. So then only we can see the expected results. So that's it from my side. Okay.